Hello brother, how are you doing? I hope you all are doing great. And in this video I just want to tell you that just be yourself. Just don't try to change according to the other person. I read a very good quote I would like to share with you. And the quote is uh, the people who matter to you will not mind, and those who mind will not matter to you. It is a very deep. I would like to re-speak it. The people who matter to you will not mind it, and the people who mind it will not matter to you. So I just want to say you that just be yourself. Just don't try to change yourself in front of anyone just to get liked by the other person. And I always say that I do not change myself in front of anyone, and it's a very good thing of mine. Like, I do not get changed according to the other person. I just be myself, and that's why people like me. Like, in this world of fakeness, people will genuinely identify the authenticity, originality of the other person. All this, like, social media is all fake, and the world is also fake. All the humans, like, they just flex their lifestyle. They show what opposite of what they are. So I just want to tell you that just be yourself. Just be in your like, just be good from your heart. And I just want to say that the life is tough, man. Like, I do not script any of my videos. You can see that how hardworking I am. I just had a reckless day, and I got time to shoot the video after so many days. And it's a privilege, I'm very happy to live a life like this. Just be blessed by the God, and be have a fear of God. You can see, like, it's flurries, it's snowing, it's the trees are shaded. Life is tough, man, but you have to bear the pain to grow. So I'd suggest, like, always keep upgrading, upskilling yourself. Like, at the end of the day, you will only have knowledge, and the knowledge will be yourself. So I just want to convey the message to the world. Just be yourself. Just don't try to change to get liked by the other person. And you know what, this plaza has a lot of emotions connected with me. I was a idle person in this plaza, and I'm shooting videos, recording videos. And I think this plaza is very, I am grateful for. And be grateful for the life you have. Be grateful for the people you have. Be grateful for the mistakes you did. And I would like to tell you that do not uh, repeat the mistakes which you did in the past. Always learn from the mistakes which you did, and try to avoid it as much as possible. So I want to convey the message to all my brothers. Just be yourself, man. Don't try to change. And I want to tell you that don't try to chase women. Like, if you try to chase women, you will lose a lot of money. But if you try to chase money, you will never ever lose a woman. Women are a byproduct of your success. They come on the way, and it will not matter to you as much as all the experiential things which you will have in your future life. So I know my hands are paining, but you can see, like, the world identifies the originality. So always try to be original as much as possible. Be authentic. Like, just speak what your heart says, what your mind says. Don't try to cover up in front of the other person to make him like you. So I know, like, I do not add much value to the society, but people will identify the good people, good knowledge, good content, and eventually I will grow up, I will explode. It's all the matter of time, consistency, dedication, determination, and all. So I would like to say to all my brothers, just be yourself, man. Don't try to change just to get liked by some ordinary individual. If you really want to do something, try to live a life in very try to live life with the people whom you want to be like. Surround yourself with winners. Don't surround yourself with the people who have a loser mindset. Don't surround yourself with fools. Always, if you do not have a good circle, stay alone, man. I would suggest you to stay alone, because the only thing you have with you is your knowledge. Uh, just be satisfied and contemplated by what you have. Tranquility. Just be in the nature. Thank you very much, brother. Have a great day. Take care.